Indonesia, and I think this being my last EGMO was really special for me because I started from EGMO being in Georgia and it's ending with EGMO being in Georgia. How the contest went, it was more about the experience and the memories I made and the friendships we all made along the way. And I think that's something I'll never forget, even if I forget the color of my medal. And I think that's the part we should all focus on more than experience the memories and the friendships we made. And because I really don't want to lose touch with the people I met here right now and the people I met there. And I'm really grateful for my team, HBCSE, NPHM, and everyone basically who made this happen. Thank you.
And I was IND2. This was my first year at EGMO, and overall it was a very beautiful experience. And I have a lot of stories to tell, so I'll begin with the treasure hunt. Treasure hunt, after the first day of arrival, we had treasure hunt on the next day. There were around 54 activities and we were able to finish 28 of them, which is a lot. These included activities like skipping and some puzzle games and Rubik's Cube. Also, after the contest, we had a lot of activities in the evening. For example, we made bracelets and rings out of. Also, we had pottery class. And about the excursions, for day one we went to a cave which was Jurassic Park. So it was definitely more fun. That was most of it. Thank you.
First time at ECMO. If you would have told me like 4 years ago that I would be here, I would not have believed it. This was such a great experience. So since you talked about the excursions and all the fun things, I will talk about more fun things, the contest. So we had 2 days of contest. Both of them were 4.5 each. Sorry, it's an inside joke. 3 questions, which is the usual format, so you can understand the gossip difficulty of the questions that are there. We had to go, and we had, obviously, since it's a 4.5 hour long contest, I can't go 2 hours without food. So we were allowed to take our own food, which is very cool, and they gave us more snacks also. And so the system was like this. So if you want to go to the washroom, you would take a card and wave it in the air. Somebody would come and take you to the washroom. Or if you want to ask a question or whatever. So there were different cards for it. You just take it and wave the card and somebody would come. Yeah. And yes, so it was definitely, so initially I was feeling very nervous, but once I went there and met the other people, interacted with them, I was not nervous and I was very excited. And I had so much fun solving the problems, like not even 1 minute of the 9 hours that I spent in the contest, I felt bored. So yeah. What else? Yes, overall it was a great experience. Georgia is such a pretty, like the place we went to, it was very pretty, so many trees, and such a beautiful park and a river, and all the excursions and everything. They were a lot of fun. And I am so happy that I went with all of you guys, and this will definitely be a core memory experience for me. So thank you all of you for making it more fun.
I'm Trivandrum and I was IND4 at this year's EGMO. So this was my second EGMO and I won a silver medal. And just like the last EGMO, this was an amazing experience for me. I got to make a lot of new friends. So I'll talk about the opening So for both the ceremonies, there were cultural shows and dances and songs, and these really exposed us to the Georgian culture. And um, also, like, I felt like the feeling of going on the stage and holding the flag was a really unique feeling that I've never experienced anywhere else. And I'm really proud and grateful to have gotten this opportunity to represent my country. I got to interact with people from different countries and learn about the selection procedures in different parts of the world. And this was really insightful and eye-opening. And I'm really grateful for this experience, and I'm also grateful to HBC provided. And last but definitely, with all of you. Thank you.
Is something that I will never forget, and the feeling of holding the flag on the stage with the medal, it was amazing. My eyes were really damp at that moment. And also, thank you so much to everyone who contributed in any way to this event. Thank you to HPCSC and to my amazing team. Thank you so much.
So, hello everyone. I got the opportunity to be the observer with the team. So, my experience was like, so the thing which observer or deputy leader and leader we did. So one of the things was arbitration. So it was a really nice experience for us. So we basically had to grade the scripts of the students and assign some marks which we feel are reasonable. And then we will go to the problem coordinators and then we will tell them these are the marks we think. And then they would be like, no, we don't think these are the marks. And then we will have a kind of, we will justify why we think these are the marks. They will try to justify what are marks they had assigned. And then we will come to a final score. So this is how the process went, and it went for almost a day. And it was a very fun experience too.
Hello. Yeah, I'm Aditi and I was deputy leader with the team. I was on the EGMO team in 2021 with Ananya and Gunjan, and which was also supposed to be in Georgia, but it was online. So this was also my first EGMO in some sense. So what should I talk about? So if you're scared of food options not being available, you should not. This was an actual concern when I was a student. Actually glad that it was an e-visa and it will only take 5 days, but but we applied for like some of the students either had a visa already or they got one after they applied. But for us, neither of us had a visa. Our visa got rejected like twice for him, thrice for her. Got a letter from the Georgian Prime Minister. Visa which was like, oh, obviously special. But yeah, so once we were there, like on the day of arrival, we were very tired, I think all of us, and everyone just went to sleep at some point. And the next day was treasure hunt, which they talked about, which was very fun. And we, the two of us, we accompanied the team, but we were like, oh, let them do the puzzles and things. We'll just take pictures of them and confident because you people have been selected through a rigorous selection procedure, and this is the mostly the best team India, like the best 4 girls how they are selected, and go and make us proud. And they did make us proud, and I'm so proud of all of them.
I've been a deputy leader for EGMO itself in 2018, where PD sir was the leader. And I used to think that leader and deputy leader is just kind of pretty much the same. You want to send 2 people, you just give them different names. And yeah.
I'm Sanjana's father. I went to Georgia. I wanted to be there with Sanjana when she was there. So it was a very nice experience. what was very interesting was how the team members and the leaders, how they were bonding. Like it was, I was observing them from a distance, of course, and it was nice to see the bond that they have developed. It was very interesting to know that they can be so close and take part in such events and compete with other countries in such a nice way. It was a very interesting experience, and I was glad that I was there for that part. Thank you.
I've seen Gunjan has been participating in PGMO for this her fourth time, and I've seen her growth over the period of these 4 years, and she has developed a lot. And for that, I thank HPCSC and all the faculty for that. And, thank you very much. Thank you.
Batisa. And I know how hard he works, and he has been working for this. So it is a great honor for me to invite him to felicitate the students. One by one, please come. So, first, आप सामने देखिए. मैं
फ्लैग थोड़ा ऊपर.
खाओ.
फ्लैग ऊपर नीचे, आप थोड़ा सा ऊपर कीजिए.
फ्लैग ऊपर कीजिए थोड़ा सा. बस.
आप भी कॉर्नर पकड़िए.
ओके.
पहिलं तर मला ही संधी मिळाली याच्यासाठी मी खूप ग्रेटफुल आहे आणि खूपच वेगळा एक्सपिरियन्स होता माझ्यासाठी. तर पहिल्यांदाच भारताला रिप्रेझेंट करायचं, इतक्या मोठ्या म्हणजे इतके सारे देश आले होते तिथे, तर खूप भारी वाटलं. म्हणजे तिने पण मगाशी म्हटलं तसं जेव्हा मी स्टेजवरती गेलो तेव्हा पाणावले होते डोळ्यात आणि म्हणजे एकदम भरून आलं होतं असं. खूपच छान वाटलं.
काय चॅलेंजेस होतं आणि कशा प्रकारची तुम्ही तयारी केली होती काय?
EGMOपर्यंत जाण्यासाठी आधी आम्हाला 3 ते 4 परीक्षा द्याव्या लागतात. आधी प्री रिजनल मॅथ ऑलिम्पियाड, मग रिजनल, मग नॅशनल, मग एक कॅम्प होतो आणि त्याच्यामधून परत टीम सिलेक्शन टेस्ट होतात. सो हे सगळं झाल्यानंतर मग आम्हा चौघींना सिलेक्ट केलं गेलं होतं. तर आणि त्याच्यासोबत नुसतं परीक्षा नसतात तर आम्हाला कॅम्पमध्ये तयारी पण करून घेतली जाते. म्हणजे खूप सारे शिक्षक आम्हाला शिकवतात पण ह्याच्यासाठी. सो खूपच म्हणजे खूप रिगरस प्रोसेस होतो.
सर्वांना आपल्यापैकींना प्रतिनिधींना यश संपादन केल्याबद्दल पदक मिळालेलं आहे. तुम्हाला कोणत्या प्रकारचं पदक मिळालं किंवा कसं तुम्हाला सन्मानित करण्यात आलं त्या ठिकाणी?
मला ब्रॉन्झ मेडल मिळालं आहे. आपल्या अख्ख्या टीमला 2 सिल्वर आणि 2 ब्रॉन्झ मिळाले. आत्तापर्यंत भारताची EGMOमधली ही सगळ्यात चांगली कामगिरी आहे. तर खूप अभिमान वाटतो आहे मला आणि सगळ्या टीमला खूपच आनंद झाला आहे.
या एकंदर काळामध्ये टफ काय वाटलेलं आहे प्रोसेसमध्ये?
खूप बऱ्याचशा गोष्टी होत्या, पण आमच्या टीममुळे इतकं हे नाही वाटलं किंवा HBCSCनी पण सगळ्यांनी खूप मदत केली. त्यामुळे असं काही म्हणता नाही येणार की असं काही वाटलं की अरे आता इथे काय करू, म्हणजे असं कधीही वाटलं तरी कोणी ना कोणी होतंच आमच्यासोबत. तर खूपच म्हणजे थँक्यू सगळ्यांना. I think that's what most people do. Formulas रटो, quickly marks चाहिए. And I think this is true for not just for math but everything in general. Just take a moment to understand and try to come up with things yourself instead of just memorizing things and doing for the sake of math. And once you understand, you'll just see that math is so beautiful. And I am sure that you will also, want to explore a lot of things. Math is an art. It's not a subject.
From Haryana, Hisar, and I won a bronze medal at the European Girls Mathematics Olympiad. This was my first year representing India at the IGMO, and it was such an amazing experience. It was also my first international trip, so I'm very happy that I got to share this with such amazing people, and this is something I'll never forget. Thank you.
मैं 17 साल की हूँ और मैं गुड़गांव हरियाणा से हूँ. मेरा ये चौथा टाइम था एग्मो में पार्टिसिपेट करते हुए. एंड मैंने एक बार पहले भी जॉर्जिया में किया था ये पार्टिसिपेशन. मेरा एक्सपीरियंस बहुत अच्छा था क्योंकि ये मेरा आखिरी बार है. एंड मैंने खूब दोस्त बनाए, मेरे को बहुत मज़ा आया वहाँ पे. एंड बहुत सुंदर जगह थी. इट वॉज़ वेरी कूल. एंड मैंने इस बार सिल्वर मेडल प्राप्त किया एंड मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लगा. एंड आई थिंक हमारी टीम ने भी बहुत अच्छा किया.
देश के लिए पार्टिसिपेट करना और इस तरह उपलब्धि लेकर आना कितना अच्छा लगता है, क्या कहेंगे?
ये फीलिंग बहुत अच्छी है. जैसे हमें क्लोजिंग सेरेमनी के दिन स्टेज पे बुला के झंडे के साथ खड़ा किया था, हमें मेडल मिला. उससे बेटर फीलिंग मेरे को कोई नहीं लगती है. एंड आई थिंक सब अग्री भी करेंगे कि वो बहुत स्पेशल मोमेंट था एंड उसके जैसा आज तक नहीं हुआ.
This is my second EGMO, and EGMO is the European Girls Math Olympiad, and it's an event where girls from different countries get to meet each other and compete in a math contest. And I think it's truly amazing that it's an offline contest so that girls can interact and get to learn about each other's cultures, because I feel that it's really important for networking to happen among people with similar interests and the sharing of ideas. And I'm really proud to have represented my country and to have won a silver medal in this EGMO. And as Gunjan said, I have never experienced anything as amazing as the feeling of winning a medal and receiving it on stage and holding the English flag.
Which problem tackle you this competition? Which problem tackle you these competitions?
So in this competition, the problems were mainly algebra and number theory. There was one geometry problem, and I found this a little challenging because my strong subjects are geometry and combinatorics, and there were not many of those problems. But I still found the paper enjoyable.
How to excite it there? How to excite the competitions?
How was the excitement?
I am really excited to represent my country, and the whole experience of traveling with the team to a different country was really thrilling, and getting to meet so many people was also very amazing for me, and learning about the training and selection in different countries was really eye-opening.
What is your name?
Sanjana Flochako.
आई है, चारों के 4 मेडल लेके आए हैं. और लड़कियों को गणित मैथमेटिक्स में प्रोत्साहन देना, ये तो हमारी सालों से धीरे धीरे हम ट्राई कर रहे हैं कि ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लड़कियां गणित करें, मैथ्स में भाग लें. और आज ये जो यूरोपियन गर्ल्स मैथमेटिक्स ओलंपियाड में से जो हमारी टीम आई है पूरी सफलता के साथ, ये तो हमें बहुत खुशी देती है. तो HPCSE होमी भाभा सेंटर फॉर साइंस एजुकेशन, हम राष्ट्र में ये जो ओलंपियाड कार्यक्रम है उसको हम संभालते हैं यहाँ पे. तो गणित में काफ़ी सारे स्तर हैं पहले एक रीजनल लेवल पे छोटा सा होता है, वहाँ से लोग एक राष्ट्रीय स्तर पे जो एग्ज़ाम होता है वो देते हैं, इंडियन नेशनल ओलंपियाड, वहाँ से बच्चे चुने जाते हैं। उनको या तो होमी भाभा सेंटर में या दूसरे कहीं इंस्टीट्यूट्स में उनको हम थोड़े से मतलब सिखाते हैं कि ऐसे प्रॉब्लम्स कैसे आते हैं, उन्हें कैसे वो सुलझा सकते हैं, उनका ट्रेनिंग होता है। उसके बाद जो सबसे अच्छे बच्चे हैं उनको हम चुनते हैं और उन्हें भेजते हैं बाहर, ताकि वो हमारा इंडियन फ्लैग लेके कहीं पे जाके दिखा सकते हैं कि वो कितने अच्छे हैं और क्या कर सकते हैं। तो यही हमारा छोटा सा प्रयास है और हम करते रहेंगे।
ये अचीवमेंट मिला, इस पर क्या कहें, कितनी खुशी हो रही कि आप लोग का प्रयास सफल हुआ। इससे पहले भी अचीवमेंट हुआ था?
हाँ ज़रूर, हर साल तो बच्चे जाते हैं, मेडल जीत के आते हैं और उनका जो अनुभव है मेडल से ज़्यादा है उनका जो अनुभव है कि वो एक बाहर इतने सारे देशों के साथ उनके बच्चों के साथ मिलके उन्होंने जो एक इसमें भाग लिया, वही सबसे बड़ा है। और मेडल तो मिलते आए हैं और मिलेंगे, लेकिन इस साल बहुत अच्छा है कि चारों को मेडल मिले हैं। वो हर बार होता नहीं है, इस तो हमें बहुत ही खुशी हुई।